Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to disable the automatically create a passkey feature in Google Chrome, step by step. Whether you're using Chrome on your phone or tablet, this quick guide will show exactly how to turn it off so you can have full control over how you sign into websites. Passkeys are a convenient security feature that let you log into sites without typing a password, but sometimes you may prefer to enter your own credentials instead of having Chrome automatically generate one. If that sounds like you, here's how you can easily disable it. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots icon. This is your Chrome menu. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Password Manager and tap on it. This is where Chrome stores all your autofill information, passwords, and of course your passkey options. Now, once you're inside the Password Manager, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Here comes the important part. In the passkey settings screen, you'll find an option that says automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. Simply toggle that switch off. Once you do, Chrome will stop automatically generating passkeys for new logins. That's it. You've successfully turned off automatic passkey creation in Chrome. Now, whenever you sign into a website, Chrome will ask before creating a passkey